Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Another video, another blessing, another dollar. So started the intro a little different, but it's still the same type of content. So we have these trucks, well, this one right here that doesn't want to start. This is one of our customers, and they need to move it to access the trailer that's behind them, and unfortunately it didn't want to start. So I'm just going to show you guys how I go about diagnosing this and hopefully getting it started. So, first things first, we have to open the hood, make sure the engine's still there. Second of all, check our batteries, make sure everything's bolted down. And then we are going to be using our power probe, see what's going on, and possibly I'm gonna check the voltage on it first on the batteries. Then second, I'm gonna try to jump the starter directly. If you guys know how to jump it, you come over here and you touch this wire to this one. I believe, yeah, it's powered to that one. One of those two. I think it's on the bottom actually. It's the one, the little bolt on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and, well, you guys will jump them. I'm going to use my power probe just to see if direct power will start it. Unfortunately, this one's leaking a lot of oil just right there. But let me get my power probe situated, ready, and actually, we're not going nowhere. Let's make sure the truck is in neutral, because the lights are on. All right. Truck is in neutral. I don't know what that means. Idle management, not sure what that means. Like I said, let me go ahead and plug in my power probe. I'll probably use this truck next to us to jump start it. Maybe it's just low on power, and then we'll go ahead and go from there. So hang tight, be right back. All right, so I do not know what that alarm is, but let's see. Oh, it ain't that one, that's for damn sure. All right, it's this one. No? Where is this little signal wire going? Oh, let me get in here. All right, so found the signal wire. I don't know if I could get you guys. Let me get a good angle for you guys. So this is the signal wire. This one right here. And as you can tell, it goes up to that little bolt. So that's how we would start it or jump start it. Let me, right there. Well, let me. Right there. So that one you would go to the positive. Let's add power. Yeah, so that one you add power and it should crank over. So let me try to crank it over, just because it's harder to do with two hands, or occupied with both hands. Been stopped for a while, so let me see. And that's kind of weird, that little alarm. The little alarm is a little weird. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a whole new day. We're still with this truck, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can tell, I have it on, and the issue was the dreaded CPC. I was able to borrow one from my cousin from the shop, came, plugged it in. Sure enough, our CPC So that's all that was wrong with this one. Can't really tell you guys much more. CPC went out. Oh wait, not shifting. It needs more air. But yeah, that's what it was. It turned on right away, cranked. And yeah, guys, with that being said, this is a short little video just to show you guys how we went about starting a truck that had a no crank, no start. So as always, guys, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.